Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are 12 cm, 8 cm and 39 cm. Now we know perimeter. Perimeter is boundary of a shape. Boundary of a shape. And in case of triangle, it's going to be sum of all sides, and that is going to be 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 39 centimeters, which is equal to 12 plus 8 is 20 and 20 plus 39 is 59 centimeter. So required perimeter is 59 centimeters. This is the answer.